Known for its enchanting beauty and pristine landscapes, Jiuzhaigou Valley is a site that attracts visitors from around the world. The valley is renowned for its crystal-clear turquoise lakes, cascading waterfalls, and colorful forested slopes that create a picture-perfect paradise. The vibrant hues of the lakes, ranging from emerald green to sapphire blue, are a result of mineral deposits in the water that reflect the surrounding mountains and trees. Visitors to the valley can explore its network of hiking trails that wind through the lush forests and lead to breathtaking viewpoints overlooking the valley. Marvel at the stunning Nura